Good afternoon, cyber traders, and happy Wednesday on the 20th of September. How's everybody doing? Good to see everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good to see you, JJ. It's always nice to see a lot of people that came to the on-site because now we could all put our faces together. Good to see you, Lita. Kira, good to see you. Ann, I haven't seen Ann. Hope she made it back safe. Got to follow up with her. Rich, Fran, good to see you. All right, everybody. So let's go. Let's get right into it. Overall, yesterday it was a great day. It really was. It was just so many good winners. We all did really well overall. We're going to look at some of these nice winners, and and like I said, don't worry about it. It's in the archives. Today's a new day, but let's talk a little bit about what happened yesterday. First of all, this HMNY, what a gorgeous move. Went from $4 almost to $6. Great 1030 pop right there, where it ran from 350 all the way to about almost $4 right there. Great move, HMNY. That one did really well. The CAPR. By the way, I'm going to keep that stock on my watch list. Just give you guys a heads up. It's not down a lot, but I might want to consider looking at it and see how it goes. It could be a short, profit taking going on. All right. What else we have? The CAPR was also a nice move, more or less in the middle of the day. Had that nice pop early in the morning, then went up. That was pretty nice, $1.60 to $2.60. That one also did really well. The ITUS trade, another nice little move. It's the unawkward part of some of these positions, which I just wasn't too crazy about, is that a lot of them did some moves in the middle of the day, which is very rare for us. All right. The CNSR, I mean, this thing is getting crushed. What was nice about this stock, it was a really easy short. And when it came out of the gate, we saw great pre-market trading. And it just really realistically came right where it was supposed to go, right here in those April support levels. So the SNCR was also really nice. And then last but not least, the NBRV. All right. That one also, nice little pop. Went from like 920 all the way to about 1050 and right back down to 920. So a couple of good movers over the course of the day. Great paydays out there. And I know a lot of you guys did really well on it. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about those guys, so don't forget. And then I can't forget, almost forgot one big one, how could I possibly forget this one? The ACBO, that one, right out of the gate, oh my God, this thing was like, just popped. Great move from like $14 to $16.50. I know a lot of you guys did really well on that one. And once again, higher highs, once it broke lower lows, everyone that got into it should have got in somewhere around the 1525, 1550, and everyone should have got out. I mean, it's very hard to max it out, but at least 16. That was good for 50 cents. Easy win with the double, with the higher highs and the lower lows. So that one also did pretty well. And we'll talk a lot about all of these guys. Remember, we have Traders Talk today. So for everybody here, you make sure you're going to get an email. Just reply back, and some of you lucky ones will get your question answered by Josh, and he'll go over some of those things with you. So make sure you guys take care of that and get that done. By the way, I also saw a lot of you guys are now starting to realize you want to show up this weekend for the Chicago event. I'm going to talk a little bit about that in the end, but I want to get right into some of the stocks moving, and then we'll tell you a little bit about that event that we're hosting. Now, a couple of stocks everyone can see here in the biggest gainers. We have BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond just getting totally destroyed. It's a nice store, but I don't know about you, but don't you find it a little expensive? I mean, literally looking like it's a little expensive there. It's trying to make a little bit of a comeback. I mean, earnings that came out were obviously not that good. So making a little bit of a comeback. I don't like to trade BBBY. It could be a level 4 stock. So you got to be careful. So don't let this $27, $23 stock fool you. But it is really breaking all-time lows, and you could see it right there. That's yesterday's close, 27, taking a huge hit right there. Now, yeah. Or where's Waldo? We mean like going shopping in that store? My God, that place is like ridiculous. All right, DMPI. That looks like another one that's making some good moves right here. Stocks up about, what I got here? Stock's up 60% right now. It's at $1.70, $1.80. It's got a nice little gap right there. We'll put this one on our watch list too. Maybe I got it right here. Post-market and pre-market. There we go. Oh, had the wrong one. Let me just save my screen. Oh, all right. Oh, just had to do an update. DMPI. There we go. All right, so that one's gapping up pretty nicely right there, but she's starting to do a little bit of a trend. Great volume. But that one made the Fausto watch list. ALNY. Do another one. That one is just on fire. That thing is just breaking higher highs, testing. It probably will test its 100 and then 110 resistance level right there. But you're talking about a level 5 stock. So looks like that pharmaceutical company came out with some really good news, huh? HTGM, another stock made the big watch list, up 20%. Now, some of you should remember the stock very, very well. Back in April, when we saw the stock go from $2 all the way to $13, and look what happens. Whatever goes up comes down straight down. Look at that. Right back down to $1.50. But anyway, she's moving. You got good support and resistance levels, good volatility, good spread, good volume, everything you're looking for. And most importantly, it's got great iceberg orders right there. So HTGM looks great. MBOT. A lot of you should remember this one too. MBOT, back in July of last year, some of you remember this stock. We traded this thing. This thing went from $6, went like $4 all the way to $25 in one day. Remember that, guys? We killed it. Go back and look at your daily journals and see how that worked out for you. But anyway, what must go up must come down. It came down even lower than where it started at. But she's up, you know. I mean, listen, because we know this stock, I'm going to put it on the watch list, the MBOT trade. And then the BBBY, we know that one, so that one's going to be on our watch list also. All right. So there's our list, guys. So we got about, we don't have a big list like we have as of yesterday. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we all know that these 5s are obviously just what some of you have been working in pre-market. There's always new ones that will pop up out of nowhere when the market opens up, and we'll just go by and we'll just add it as we see as it goes on. Big Fed meeting today at 2 p.m. Dana, as usual. You know, Feds I never ever took seriously up until about a year ago when they started raising interest rates. I mean, they haven't raised rates in like since my firstborn. I mean, it's been that bad. But anyway, yeah, now things could be quite interesting, especially, I think there's, with the job claims, 1 million jobs have already been made when we only been averaging about 200 a year. Now we got 1 million already. Market's doing great, so it could be very, very interesting to see what happens, how they're going to react moving forward. All right. So, guys, listen, if there's anything new comes out, go out there, say something, see something. I know we have a lot of new members. Hopefully, you guys have been enjoying it and talk to your education advisor. We had a really big event yesterday. Thanks for coming out, guys, that Trade Station event. Looks like a lot of people came to their senses and now want to understand and learn how to do this. So, hopefully, we all could recruit more traders in the room. Because, remember, the more we are, the more money we make and the easier your life becomes. Guys, good luck today. And before we go, I just want to mention just 2 more last things. Don't forget Chicago. That's right. Let's bring that up right here. So we got the Super Summit right here. So, guys, don't forget the Super Summit. And Josh is also going to put the announcement for Traders Talk at 1 o'clock. All right, guys? Don't lose this opportunity. Definitely be there. You guys are going to be getting thousands and thousands of dollars of education for free that comes along with it. And the people that attend are going to get the opportunity to win a free Falcon trading computer. So another great benefit. All right. So not only is it a great event, but it's also great education, which is more importantly than anything. You got Coffee Bar with Josh. That's it. There you go, Andy. Coffee Bar. We were going to say Coffee Talk. Remember that on the on-site? But we'll do Coffee Bar. All right, guys. Good luck today. Happy trading. Let's make some money.